Oh my gosh, that's delicious. All right, we've got the ingredients here, got our pan. Now we're cooking up some bacon because we're gonna garnish the soup with bacon. If you do not wanna do this, if you're vegetarian or whatever, you can use olive oil in here at this point. Because we're gonna cream this soup, I wanna get rid of all of the strings from the celery. So I'm slicing the mushrooms in half because we're gonna brown these in the bacon fat, olive oil. The brown is gonna give us tons of wonderful flavor. And then we have 3 cloves of garlic. And I'm just gonna smash these. Again, because we're blending this whole thing, all I've gotta do is take the paper off the outside. Got our celery, got our olive oil and bacon fat in there. Adding our garlic. We're gonna add our steakhouse seasoning. I'm using an entire tablespoon. It's fabulous with mushrooms and it's great with broccoli. Now we're adding in roasted broccoli. 2 quarts of chicken stock. We cover and simmer for 1 hour. Now we're adding 2 cups of half and half. All right, I've got the stick blender here and I'm gonna put it in here. Try not to get it all over my camera. Oh, yum. Time to put it in a bowl. Get shopping already, come on.